What's going on, guys? It's Rylan with Rylan's Amazing Photography, and welcome to today's video where we're going to be doing some bird photography. However, before we get into today's video, I want to remind you guys to go down below and like today's video. While you're down there, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Whoa, okay, hello, good start. That was a good start. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. There's so many birds out right now, it's insane. I've seen some blue jays. I've seen a Say's phoebe a few minutes ago. I'm pretty sure I've seen a red-bellied woodpecker fly by. Having some really, oh, there's a Say's phoebe right now. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, those are nice. Those are really nice. Oh my gosh. There's a red-tailed hawk. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. These are amazing. Wow. I never had this much luck. Ever. I've been out here for maybe 10 minutes and already having insane luck. Like insane luck. I never had this much luck. Like, I am not complaining. Today's video is great. Like, high five, let's do this, boom. Yeah, that was really awkward, but this is going really well. Let's keep it up. So I've moved to a new location. I still have my tripod, my camera set up here on the tripod. I'm ready to get this thing over here though, if necessary, to get something in the sky or somewhere that somehow my tripod can't position to get to. So I am ready for that possibility. It's pretty windy outside, but it's also really hot. I'm in camouflage, so I know I'm not in a blind, but this should still somewhat kind of make subjects a little less aware of my presence. I hear a lot of birds. I haven't seen anything from this location as of yet. I'm probably gonna stay here for a few more minutes and we'll see how it goes after this. So I've switched locations yet again, and not long after being here, I just ran into a song sparrow that was up in one of those trees, and it looked like it was eating some leaves or possibly some kind of bud that is growing on the tree. I'm not very familiar with the tree or what kind of food that it would be eating off of it, but that's definitely what it was doing. It was having a nice little bite to eat. It looks as if it could storm any second, so I've got to be very alert and make sure I don't get poured the rain on or caught in a thunderstorm, because that would be very bad. So let's continue with the video. I'm about to be caught in a thunderstorm. It is so windy out here. Like, I need to be getting going and getting gone. This is dangerous when you're surrounded by trees and wind is blowing very strong. In my area, it's actually supposed to storm really hard. We're expecting like 70-mile-per-hour winds. But it wasn't supposed to be this early in the day. It's only, there's a wasp. That scared me. No, are you serious? Did it just, why's it always the dang wasp? And the barn is like dying. It's an all-around rough time right now. So I'm gonna be packing up my gear. If I see something along the way back to my house, we'll stop. But assuming we probably won't, because any animal or human with common sense isn't outside right now. So before I get all worked up and caught in a storm and pouring rain on all of my equipment, we're gonna go inside and make our way there, and I'll close out this video in my office. Well, that was quite the eventful video. It's definitely not as long as what I had planned for it to be and what I'd hoped for it to be, but we still managed to capture some really great images of birds. And at the end of the day, we got good photos, so that's all that matters. I do apologize for not being as long of a video. I planned on it being a really long video, but obviously I can't stay outside when there's a thunderstorm going on. So I immediately came home because safety is like the utmost priority. And this kind of relates back to my video. You can click right here to watch it on 10 wildlife photography tips. One of the things on there is check the weather before you go out and shoot. I didn't do that. I ended up getting caught in a thunderstorm. So it's always important to check the weather before you shoot. I really do appreciate you guys watching this video. You can help me out a lot by checking out my recent book, Out of the Darkness. It is my first ever photo book. You can purchase a copy like this, or you can get an ebook version of it for only $10, which is really cheap for an ebook with everything that this book has in it. You can purchase that by going to blurb.com and searching Out of the Darkness, or you can use either one of the links down below. You can follow me on Instagram over there at Rylan's Amazing Photography. You can also find me on Facebook. Just search Rylan's Amazing Photography in the search bar. I'm also on Twitter, where I post more amusing and personal things about my life. You can find me over there on @Rylan's Photos. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to me. Make sure you guys are staying safe out there with the coronavirus going on, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. See ya.